Hi, thanks for joining. In this video, we'll show you how to connect to the Timbr MDX endpoint from Microsoft Excel, load OLAP cubes from the Semantic model, and customize them. So let's dive in. First, let's quickly review the data model we'll be using. Here, we can see the different business concepts of the model and the relationships between them. When clicking on a concept, for example concept order, all its properties and measures, as well as its relationships, are revealed. In this video, we'll focus on concept order and load it into our Excel spreadsheet. So let's hop over to Excel. To connect to the MDX endpoint, we'll use the built-in connector for analysis services. We'll start by clicking on the Data ribbon, and we'll select Get Data. Here, we'll scroll down and choose From Analysis Services. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll need to enter your Timbr environment URL with /MDX at the end. For the username, specify the data model you want to use. In our case, it's called Supply Metrics. So we'll type token at Supply Metrics. For the password, simply copy and paste the token that can be found in your Timbr environment. When done, click Next. Once connected, you'll see all the data model concepts as cubes. Select Order and click Finish. Once loaded, you'll see all the properties and measures of concept order, which you can drag and drop to create a pivot table. Notice that you can also access related concepts and their properties, combining data from the entire semantic model with ease. Pretty straightforward, right? Now let's make the pivot table even more intuitive by adding hierarchies. For this, we'll return to our data model in Timbr and create two hierarchies, a location hierarchy and a product hierarchy. In the datasets mapped to this model, we have market information, regions, which are basically submarkets, countries, and cities for each order. To create the location hierarchy, we'll click on Manage Ontology Tags in the top right corner and select Add New Tag. We'll set the target type as concept and the target entity as order. For the tag name, we'll write mdx.hierarchy. The name we want to give this hierarchy, in this case, location. Finally, in the value field, we'll list the properties we want to add from order, which are market, order region, order country, order city. Notice when adding properties that commas are separating between them and there are no spaces. Great, the location hierarchy is ready. Let's quickly create the product hierarchy next. We'll set the target entity as product and name the hierarchy mdx.hierarchy.product. And we'll include department, category, and product name as the properties. Excellent. Now that we added the tags, let's return to Excel. In the Data ribbon, we'll click on Refresh. Once loaded, we now see the new hierarchies appearing in the metadata. Let's start enhancing our pivot table with our new hierarchies. We'll add the location hierarchy and start drilling down through market, region, country, and city. Next, we'll add the product hierarchy. Here too, we can drill down in the hierarchy and play with the pivot table as we'd like. And there you have it. This is how you can leverage OLAP cubes using the MDX endpoint in Timbr. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in our next videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.